अगर हमारे साथ कोई ऐसा बिहेव करे, टॉक्सिक ट्रेट्स लेके बिहेव करे, तो हम उसको ऐसे छू कर देते हैं अपनी लाइफ से। बट जब हम ऐसा करते तो हम शायद ऑब्जर्व भी नहीं कर रहे होते अपने आप को कि हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं खुद के साथ। ये काम हो गया, ये काम हो गया, ये काम हो गया, ये काम हो गया। अब इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे मैं अपनी वैल्यू करूँगी। यू नो वॉट, लव योर सेल्फ अ लिटिल बिट टू मेस अराउंड इट। लाइफ को टिक मार्क करते 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 जीना भूल गए यार। हाय, if you're someone who is super productive and always measure themselves with the task they have done, with the task they have done, with the achievements of their life, if you always have measured yourself on the basis of the outcomes and the productivity you do in your life, then this video is probably for you. And this video is not for them जो पहले से लेजी है, because you need to work on yourself, buddy. What I have actually faced from a long time, and I do struggle it with now also, but a little less, is that at a point of time I have just made my life ticking off things, signing off things, doing things, and not really realizing that how shallow it feels to just do things, I'm not against productivity, I'm not against your skills, I'm not against to the success you want to reach. Yeah, you have to reach that one day. I'm really talking about the shallowness sometimes it comes with. Sometimes we just commit to it so much कि हम भूल जाते हैं कि we have a life, right? Life goes like up and down. It has so many trials, it has so many errors, and we have to sometimes fix it. We need to sometimes work on something else. We need to change the routine sometimes. We need to customize our forms, ourselves, our books, our routines sometimes for people, for any event. Then I've just seen two category of people, that who really give up on their routines, and they just give up on their routine and they do not continue it off, or they just harass themselves. And if you're just the one who quit the routine, then also this video is not for you, because how will you ever change if you just quit in between? How? And if you're the one who just regret, I am the person who regretted, I am the person who have like, I just punched the wall very hard just to hurt myself ki why did you did it, why did you just cannot continue the routine and all those things. I felt bad about it sometimes when I think about this all things कि भाई कितना toxic trait है. When you think about life is about changes. Life never stays the same. Even in Gita, even in the greatest philosophy you will ever read, change is the only constant thing happening. So yeah, changes will be there. Changes, you cannot avoid changes. You cannot just ignore something just because of changes. You have to mold yourself. You have to learn to live with changes. You have to learn that how to control your mind fluctuation. Do not ignore the fatigue you feel. Do not ignore it. Do not harass yourself. Sometimes you really don't want to just go with the routine. Maybe something goes wrong, maybe something is off. You just need to understand yourself a little bit and make customization according to it in your routine. Sometimes you need a gap, sometimes you do need a rest, sometimes you do need to check yourself a little bit. And you know what, अगर ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं भी हैं तो do not harass yourself that why did you just did that thing, why did you did that thing. Do not harass yourself. Understand yourself a little bit. तुम किसी बच्चे को कैसे समझाते अगर तुम्हें किसी रूटीन में से उतारना होता, तुम कैसे कस्टमाइज़ करते अपने आप को? शायद वैसे नहीं जैसे तुम अपने आप को अभी परेशान कर रहे हो. शायद तुम उस बच्चे को थोड़ा प्यार से बताते. मैं होती तो पीट के पटक देती, बट नहीं, मैं इनिशियली ऐसा नहीं करती. मैं बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसा करती कि अब तो बहुत हद हो गई है इसकी, तब मैं पटक के पीट देती. बट उससे पहले मैं शायद प्यार से समझाती कि ओके फाइन, इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम, तूने 21 डेज तक अच्छा किया, 22nd डे पे थोड़ा रेस्ट कर ले. रिमेंबर, यू कैन जस्ट रीस्टार्ट इट at any point of time. You can reschedule it, you can refocus, you can redo it at any point of your life. Just don't give up on yourself. If you'll give up, there's nobody else to just do it for you. So don't beat the shit out of you. Treat yourself a little bit easier, like a kid. Bye.